Welcome to a haven of modern design, nestled just outside the bustling city of Rosario, Argentina. We're journeying to Portal de Aldea, a peaceful residential neighborhood, to explore a captivating detached house that seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living. This unique residence occupies a corner lot, offering a sense of openness. The architects strategically placed the ground floor volume along the southern border, with the main entrance facing the avenue. This facade prioritizes privacy while the north side opens up completely, embracing the tranquility of the interior land. Step inside, and you'll discover a more closed-off facade on the avenue side, creating a sense of intrigue. But as we venture further, the true beauty unfolds. The north facade opens its arms, showcasing the social areas and the master bedroom bathed in natural light. This innovative design boasts not just one, but two social areas that adapt to the ever-changing climate. An intriguing feature is the warehouse, cleverly positioned with a second kitchen, bathroom, and grill. It seamlessly connects to the gallery, offering an alternative entrance to the upper floor through a separate staircase. The architects prioritized maximizing the ground floor by cleverly placing the children's bedrooms and service areas on the upper level. These rooms are designed with flexibility in mind, easily transforming into a study space, guest room, or even an additional child's bedroom. Each room enjoys independent access, ensuring privacy for everyone. But the real star of the show is the upper floor volume. Designed as a transversal bridge, it creates a stunning semi-covered space beneath it, the heart of the house. Imagine this as a large-scale extension of your living room. The concept is ingenious, use one space or the other depending on the weather. This flexibility provides two stunning multifunctional areas, perfect for gatherings throughout the year. The open gallery fosters a wonderful east-west connection across the entire plot, further enhancing the feeling of spaciousness. Adding to the charm of the upper floor is a dedicated game room that overlooks the void above the main entrance. This open space provides a perfect area for kids to play, while a cleverly designed closed space offers additional storage and support, ensuring acoustic isolation. The architects masterfully employed reinforced concrete with visible boards throughout the house. This material choice extends to structural and enclosing elements, ceilings, partitions, and columns, creating a sense of cohesive unity. The smooth cement floors, both inside and out, further enhance the feeling of seamless continuity between the various spaces. Here's a look at the floor plans of the home. This detached house in Rosario embodies a perfect synergy between modern design and functionality. From the cleverly designed social areas to the flexible upstairs spaces, this home caters to every need. The architect's focus on natural light and the seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living creates a truly tranquil oasis. Imagine waking up to the gentle Argentine sun streaming through the north-facing windows, enjoying barbecues with friends in the gallery, or relaxing in the open game room. This is a home designed for creating lasting memories. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of a truly inspiring modern home.